Ali Pig, as I was telling you earlier, etong si Raider Alimi, hindi naman kailangan masyadong defensive because he's not 100%, but still, Ali Pig is not taking any chances.
This Jordan Salvador. At kanina pa talaga sila nagtutulakan dito ni Terrence Leather. And now Terrence Leather threw the ball at Jordan Salvador. And Terrence Leather is going after James Yap. Enrico Villanueva is being restrained by Ali Pig, and the entire Pure Food squad is getting on the case of Terrence Leather. And Ali Pig at nakikipagtulakan, and boy, cooler heads have to prevail here.
That's Ali Pig and Rob Sands. At
somebody has to pull Terrence Leather aside here. And
well, eto, reviewin natin yung ating nakikitang action. As usual, nagpo-poste nito si Jordan Salvador and Terrence Leather for the position. Eto dito, naghihiyawan na yung mga tao. No foul was called yet. Pero ito, a series of bumpings. Pang! 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 And finally, the foul was called on Terrence Leather. At dito, nagkagirian na po. Pero hindi pa yan. Ayun, binato yung bola. So, ito, madami nang si James Yap, makikita natin mula sa likod. May binigay na konti kay Terrence Leather. Hindi rin nagustuhan yan. Ipapasa muna yung bola. Bibigay muna yung bola, pero ibabato ito. Technical foul na kagad. Ay, binato. So, technical foul na rin. Actually, yun. Sumenyos na si James Yap. Nakakita, hinabol. Hindi inabot, pinipigilan na siya. Pero si Rico Villanueva, mamaya lulusog na dyan. Ayan, nakakita natin kanina yan. Si Rob Sands, ito. Aba, nandiyan lahat.
Ayun, malino. There was a karate kick coming from James Yap from behind. At biglang hinabol ni Terrence Leather. At ayan na, dito na nagsuguran sa court yung mga basketball players natin. Yeah, Rob Sands, Rob Sandoval getting in the middle of the action there. And you can see Renner Netualo trying to pacify everybody here.
Si Ali Pig, natatawa ko kay Ali Pig. It's trying to restrain all the attackers from the Pure Food.
Kaya naman kaya.
Really a cooler head. Ito si Ali Pig. Ito, makikita po natin. Same, another angle. Pero dito, ito, tayuan pa rin po dito. Ayun, nagsimula sa batuhan. So, kailangan ating emosyon. And why not, Migo? Ika nga, ang matatalo dito, wala nang bukas.
Oh, that's right. You know, perfectly understandable. Both teams are really intense. Everything on the line here. Lahat ng pinaghirapan nila para dito sa Fiesta Conference nakataya sa larong ito. Winner goes home. Rather, loser goes home. Winner moves on to a knockout game on Friday dito sa Inares. So, ito, hihintayin natin ang hatol ng Supreme Court. Initially, there was a personal foul against Terrence Leather. Then,